One day, driving home from work, I started looking at the rain as art. Normally you try to see through the rain because it's an annoyance. You're trying to see past it. But I started seeing it as something beautiful. And the lights, the reflections, the distortion. Every time the windshield wipers would come across the windows, it would wipe it away and start all over. And I got my camera and I started taking pictures. I'm not a good photographer, so I have to take many, many pictures. And I look for the feeling that I want. Usually the composition is close, but the details aren't there. I might work from different, multiple photographs to get what I want. And in the end, the drawing is much more powerful than the photo. The medium of color pencil is very precise. Those points are very sharp. And the style that I use it in, I like to remove the texture. So it's very smooth, and it lends itself to realism. So even though it's very realistic, within that rain, I get to have my abstract. One of the underlying themes of my work has to do with living in Los Angeles. We spend a lot of our lives in the car alone there. We don't have public transportation like this. And there's, I think, a feeling in these drawings of solitude and a private moment, your own private thoughts. And it's a moment in time. It presents it in a different way, and a beautiful presentation of something very mundane, something, tedious, really. So it's brought me a lot of joy to create something beautiful out of nothing, My big question that I'm asking myself a lot now is, how do you make the feeling come alive? Is it a certain talent? Is it just the way you apply the medium? What is it that makes a piece of art express emotion to someone who views it? I'm wondering.